Today, we're making chicken and king oyster mushroom soup, the ultimate comfort food that feeds the whole family in 30 minutes. Let's do it. I mean, this couldn't be simpler. You add your chicken thighs. When I'm making soup, unless you want to use the whole chicken, I always go for thighs because they can withstand a lot more of the heat. Chicken breast, anything above 67 Celsius, they become chewy. And, optional, a bit of ginger. You don't even need to peel the ginger because we're going to take them out later. And again, optional, white part of the scallion. We'll save the green part for garnish. And to that, you just add water. Normally you see me browning the meat before adding water, but today we want a clean broth, so no browning. And you bring it to a boil. And for a bit of extra sweetness, just because we have some, this is leftover Chinese cabbage. But you can use any leftover vegetables you have, like carrots would be great with this, as long as you bear in mind the cooking time. I would definitely not go out of the way to buy veggies for this. Thinly sliced, and they can go straight in. They impart a bit of sweetness to the soup as well. Looks like a lot, but they're gonna shrink down. And we slice the green part of the scallion for garnish, optional of course. Now, we have the star of the show, the king oyster mushrooms. I normally like them sauteed or roasted because they become so meaty. It's my favorite fresh mushroom to eat. But recently we went to a hot pot restaurant and I don't know, to save money, they serve them extremely thinly sliced and they turn out to be extremely sweet. So today, we're gonna do exactly the same. Take off the tip and we slice them thin. These, they go in the last minute. After a minute of blanching, they are at their sweetest. I'm sure the restaurant sliced them thin for a different reason, but happy accident. Now, the top hats. Because we can't slice them thin, we're just gonna add them in. I mean, you can do some decorations for fun. You definitely don't have to do this, by the way. It's borderline ridiculous. All right, we mix a bit. Make sure the bottom doesn't catch. Hats, they go in. And lid on. Medium heat, 20 minutes. This would give the chicken enough time to impart some flavors on the broth. A lot of chicken soup recipes, they list chicken broth as an ingredient. I mean, the whole point is to make chicken broth. If I already have chicken broth, why do I need the recipe? So, go figure. I'll see you in 20 minutes. All right, after 20 minutes, we check on our broth. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, we fish out the scallion and the ginger. They fulfill their duty and honor, and now they fade away. If I can find the ginger, that is. Okay, this will take a while. You know what the ginger can say. Now we're just treating it like hot pot. We add the sliced king oyster mushrooms, and they will shrink down quite quickly once they hit the liquid. Just want to move them around to help them get started. King oyster mushrooms, they also bind really well with the chicken fat. It's just the perfect marriage. I haven't even seasoned it because there's so much sweetness that we salt at the very, very end. You taste, check on the doneness, mostly for the sweetness, and we're good to go. Let's plate. Cast iron pot for one. I mean, you don't have to do it. Taking a page out of the Korean soups. Beautiful. And now, while this is still hot, optional, an egg on top, kind of like nabayaki udon style. Some scallion greens that we sliced earlier. One last optional ingredient, shichimi togarashi, Japanese 7-spice. Perfect, and there you have it. Comfort food in 30 minutes. This is chicken and king oyster mushroom soup. I hope you enjoy.